ticket's free, but there is no timed entrance. We got bad info.
Icon recognized throughout the world, called the Alamo.
Let me out. I swear I didn't do anything wrong.
Mermaid.
It's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive, and save it. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're causing their...
All right, well, we made it back downtown, and we're in line now for that boat tour that we skipped out on yesterday because we quit early.
Yeah, we were early quitters yesterday, so we did not get here early. We slept in a little bit, but we're here. We're in line to get on the San Antonio River cruise with Go Rio. I think it's only like 13 or 14 bucks a person if you get it just the river cruise. We got a whole slew of stuff all together, so just take this little boat around the river, and
There's no boat there.
There's no boat there. I don't know. They tell you about the sights and sounds. We saw a few of them going by yesterday when we were walking the Riverwalk, and I'm excited to do it.
Yeah, me too. Anytime I can go on a boat and not have to be the captain,
Yeah.
makes me happy.
Yeah.
San Antonio. This city was established on June 13, 1691. 1691. Hey, wait a minute. The United States is turning 246 years. It was independent from Britain in 1776. So that means San Antonio is much older than the United States. The answer is C. Yes, we. Yeah, correct. It is older than the United States, but even older than San Antonio are two other European municipalities. Would you know, ma'am, which is the oldest municipality in the United States? I'll give you a hint. It's not in Texas. It's in Florida. You see, the Spanish arrived in Florida in 1512. You are right, ma'am. It's St. Augustine, Florida. 1565, permanently settled in Florida. You see, when I say permanently, that means the government system. The Spanish arrived there as early as 1512. Permanently settled in 1565. back to San Antonio and engaging here on the Riverwalk. It was built for them. Imagine boats filled with military men and women, civilians along the banks, cheering them on. Woo, welcome back home. We love you. Thank you for your service. And that's exactly what I say to you. Every one of you on this boat, thank you so much. It is your visit here today that I and thousands of San Antonians have a job to come to.
All right, well, we just got off the boat. That was fun.
Yeah, I learned a lot.
Yeah, but now we're walking to the Alamo to go check out the Alamo. Something we didn't get to do yesterday.
Have you been to the Alamo? Let us know down in the comments if you've been to the Alamo. What else in San Antonio do we not want to miss next time?
Also, let us know if you ever do this kind of stuff midsummer when it's hot, or if you wait till like the cooler months.
We're so smart. We always do the hot outside stuff in the middle of the summer.
It's all right. I'm gonna
like
make
shopping for an RV.
Yeah, I'll make it. I just complain a lot. All right, let's go. Don't let her.
Don't let her.
All right, well, we made it. There's the Alamo right there. All right, so this is what we learned. It's free, but you have to have tickets, and it's on like a reservation type thing.
Yeah, so that not all the people are in at one time. They have time, so yes, it's a free entry, but you have to have a ticket, and you go get in line at your ticket time. So we're gonna go check out the times, and then probably go eat lunch.
If we were, better at this, we would know that, and we would have tickets already.
Yeah.
But
so now you know.
Don't do what we do, basically, is what we're saying.
Yeah. So if you want to see the Alamo, there is a ticket booth out on the street. It says the Alamo Welcome Center, big red booth. We'll show it to you in a minute, and that's where you get your tickets. Or I think you can do it online, but we're right here, so we're gonna go check out the ticket office.
So, Alamo entrance. I'm gonna spin you around. And where is it? Where is it? Ticket booth. All right. Later. Well, okay. Update numero dos.
What?
I don't know. Anyway, so the ticket's free, but there is no timed entrance. We got bad info from a random
Faulty
person.
info.
Okay. So just get a ticket and you go in.
Yeah, and she just says just go. They're not doing times anymore. So maybe the online isn't updated. So maybe that lady got her ticket online and it had a time on it, but they said we can just go in.
Right.
You just
So,
have to get a ticket.
Alamo first, and then we'll eat.
Yes.
All right, let's go.
Icon recognized throughout the world, called the Alamo. Indigenous tribes have long inhabited the vast expanses of the American Southwest, but a great change is coming. In 1718, in what is now San Antonio, an elderly Spanish missionary named Father Antonio de San Buenaventura y Olivares establishes a Spanish mission on a stretch of land with ample water. He calls it San Antonio de Valero. There, he establishes a self-contained village, providing food and shelter for the natives, and stocking horses and firearms for defense against raiding Comanches and Apaches. Despite previous efforts to populate Texas, the region has only 3 stable communities: San Antonio, Goliad, and Nacogdoches. The Mexican government authorizes land agents called empresarios to bring in immigrants from the United States. The most successful impresario is Stephen F. Austin. New settlers pour into Texas, lured by the promise of large land grants. Within a mere 5 years, the population grows from about 3,000 to more than 30,000.
So we just walked 10 minutes in the blaring sun. We are gonna go into the Buckhorn Saloon and Museum. I had to look at the sign to remember what it was called, but it's gonna be cool. We're excited to see it, and yeah, come join us.
In a letter to the government, he asked for another 10 men to act as rangers for the common defense.
This is the oldest saloon in Texas.
Let me out. I swear I didn't do anything wrong.
All this and more, ladies and gentlemen, just inside. You will hear the fascinating stories of two legendary owners.
Mermaid. Walking like normal, like it's no problem. Have a seat, you won't fall because the chair's against the wall. It feels very creepy.
Yeah.
There's no ball.
Probably still the wall. Because we're not really, we're tilted the other way. It's an illusion.
So as you can probably tell, we did a lot of filming when we first got the GoPro, but not a lot of thinking about how we were going to put these videos together. So that is the end of our San Antonio explorations. We did have a really great time. We saw some really cool stuff, but we just didn't film with YouTube in mind, or fully with our ideas fully formed, or Matt's vision when editing formed, because he had never edited a video before. So yeah, so we spent a little bit of time in San Antonio. We spent a little bit more time at Lake Medina, and continued to film a bit. So these next couple of videos from the past, from when we started full-time RVing, might be a little jumbled and not the best, but as Matt is learning video editing, and give him some props in the comments, y'all, because he's never done anything like this before, and I think each video gets better and better. But as he learns more, and has more of a vision of where each video is going, and has more of a storyline, I think they'll get better. So I hope that this helped you with showing you some things that you can do in downtown San Antonio and the fun that we had. Make sure to keep watching, make sure to subscribe, comment down below what you'd like to see from us, and we're excited to continue to share our RV adventures with you.